Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about pansies as a cut flower. I know, garden flower, but now fabulous cut. They take just a little bit of care. When you get them, look for any lower foliage. Remove that, give it a cut, and then they do well. When dipped in quick dip, it's a rapid hydrating treatment. Then move it to a container with flower food so that it will continue. Remove anything that's damaged. Again, lower foliage off, cut, dip, and off you go. So just a little bit of extra care, and then they'll last so amazingly long and be fabulous in your arrangements. Now you know how the pros do it.